Hi guys! In the video I'll explain how WideProtect Spam Call Blocker is working. Let's start. The main goal of the application is blocking incoming calls by prefixes. So, if you got spam calls from similar numbers, which have different tails, like 4 last digits, you are able to block them defining just one prefix. Even more, you can block whole area code if you don't live there anymore. Side feature is ability to block SMS from the same numbers or which contain some keyword. Let's go from beginning. I just installed WideProtect and will launch it for the first time. Okay, let's imagine that we are getting unknown calls from these numbers. It means the spammers use pool of similar numbers to reach you. We see that all these numbers have the same prefix, +1, 247, 111. So we want to block them. Just tap Add button on the right top corner. Then choose country of incoming call number. For that you need to tap on Country button. Okay, let's choose United States. And then type only prefix. In our case, it's 247.111. You can see that while you are typing, WideProtect shows you how many numbers will be blocked below prefix field. Asterisk means any digit in the position. So, right now we can see that WideProtect will block all phone numbers from 247.111.0.0.0.0 to 247.111.9.9.9.9. All these 10,000 numbers will be blocked. Avoid please two mistakes that some people do here. First one, you don't need to type anything after prefix, not zeros, not asterisk, nothing, just leave it as you see in my video. The second one, length of complete phone number should have correct value, equal to whole phone number length. Don't set it to 3, for example, like this. It will not block 247 area code, but only one number. It's definitely not what you want. I'll change it back. Okay, let's save the prefix. WideProtect is trying to update block list and give you the error message. That's because after first launch, we have to go to iPhone settings and enable system extensions of call blocking application. Let's go there. Choose Phone section, then Call Blocking Identification section. Here you can see 25 WideProtects. Why? Well, the reason is that iOS allows to block only 2 million numbers per one extension. To block 50 million, as WideProtect can, I added 25 extensions. Often they are not properly sorted, unfortunately, as you can see. I can change this behavior, but I suggest you to enable them all in advance. They are not spending memory or CPU time and will be used only when needed. By the way, sometimes iOS doesn't show this extension immediately after installing WideProtect. In this case, try to restart iPhone and check settings again. If there are still no extensions, just reinstall WideProtect. They will appear for sure after that. Let's enable all extensions. Here you are. Go back to the application. Take a look at main screen. At the top, we still see the message Let's tap on the button Update Block List now. Okay, after that everything's good. Below Prefixes list, we see a switch to allow for numbers from our contacts. It's useful if you want to block spammers by prefix but your friends or family members have similar number. So to pass them through, we can enable this switch. WideProtect get only numbers from your contacts, no names or other information, and of course, these numbers are used only locally on the device, just to exclude them from broken list. Also, WideProtect shows you how many extensions you have to enable in settings to block all prefixes you have added. Let's add one more prefix. Yeah. To unblock some prefix, you have to swipe it on from right to left and tap on button Unblock. You will see confirmation message which allow you to postpone block list updating in case if you want to remove several prefixes in a row. We will update it immediately. That's how it works. In navigation bar you can see four other buttons. Help. It's a screen with some details about application. Also here you can send me email, open privacy policy page, look at demo video and share WideProtect with your friends. SMS. Here you can add keywords separated by comma, and WideProtect will mark such messages as junk. For that, don't forget to enable WideProtect SMS blocker in settings. Let's check it. Go to Messages section, then Unknown and Spam, and enable WideProtect here. Go back. Sort. It's just a service function, allows you to sort prefixes list in numeric order. Sorted, unsorted. It's useful in case of many prefixes. And finally, Cloud allows you to save prefixes to iCloud and restore it back when you need. And finally, let me give you some tips and tricks. In country list, when you add some prefix, you can see name and code of each country, and you can search by them. For that, just tap on the top of screen or scroll to the top and in search field just type code or name of country. If you can't find some code, use without country option. Just find it by name. In this case, you can set any length of phone number and type any digits you want. By the way, it's the same prefix as we used in the beginning. Next trick. Sometimes spammers use not usual phone numbers. For example, I saw numbers like +1 240 111 222. The whole length is 9, not 10, as for usual numbers. And in this case, you need to change value of length of complete phone number field to appropriate value. Let's select United States, set length to 9, and type appropriate value in the prefix field. Next trick is about saving function. Let's return back standard value. You can see that save button sometimes is unavailable. That's because you have to type a prefix which contains not more than 10 million numbers. Until that, you will not be able to save the prefix. And the last advice. Block list updating may take much time, 10, 20 minutes, and even more. It depends on iPhone model, iOS version, free memory in current moment, etc. So, if you are going to add several prefixes, you can postpone block list updating until you're ready. For that, disable switch update block list immediately and add several prefixes. Okay. You will see the message on the top of main screen and button Update block list now. Just tap on it after adding all prefixes. That's all for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send me email. You know where you can find it. Thank you.